Okay, what's up, friends? Hope you're doing well. Now, I have a landline phone here, and I'm also holding a router in my hand. Now, this is a Huawei 4G LTE router, and it's capable of also giving you voice. So that means that if you connect this landline phone on this router, you'll be able to make voice calls, which will be supported by any service provider in your country. Now, for example, in Kenya, we have got various service provider. You can be Telcom, Safaricom, Airtel. All those you can just have any line. You put it here. You insert a line. Right there. Any line from any subscriber, from any service provider. And then it's just a router. You've got the Ethernet ports here for your, for your Ethernet connection. And then you have another port here. This port is for telephone. So this is where you hook this landline here, and then you're able to make calls. So you'll be able to load airtime just like the way you load on your phone. But of course, maybe you won't be able to use this phone to load. Maybe you can use your mobile wallet to load that particular line for you to be able to get voice. Now, what you're going to do is you'll need this phone cable that it will help you to connect between your phone and your router. So you will connect that, and then also at the back here you connect this cable. So now you have your line inside this router, and then you have a telephone here. So you are able to make any call. The only limitation with this landline is that you won't be able to see who is calling you and and the number you're dialing. But of course, if you don't care about that, this is their other cool landline phone there that has got a display here. But any will do, so long as you're interested in just making calls. And also, guys, the other cool thing with these landlines, actually, most service provider, they give you a line that specifically will give you a plan that will be very much different from the normal subscriber. So you'll be able to have a very big discount where you're making your voice calls. So if you have this router here, then perhaps maybe you go to any service provider, you ask for that service, you buy that line, and then you enjoy it. So this is how it will work. You have to power it. You have to. Okay. Now. It's on already. It shows your power on button, and then the status of your router. It shows you the Wi-Fi signal. This should be for Ethernet, and then the network strength. So now the other thing you have to do is, because you've already hooked in your phone, if you lift this handle, you're able to hear that sound that you're hearing in my mic. Okay. So now, if we can call and we see if our phone could ring, we are able to call. So I'm dialing. So it's ringing, so we can just put back this, and it's off. All right, so that's how you simply do it. You only connect a phone, through this cable to that, and then make sure that your line is able to give you voice, and that's it. Because if it's not capable of giving you voice, even if your phone has that capability, maybe you won't be able to enjoy the service. Okay, thank you very much, and have a good one.